Everyone. So you're in your Google Classroom and now it's time to hand in some work. So you can see here that I'm in Ms. Georgopoulos' classroom right now, and I know that she has handed in some, or has requested some work get handed in. You'll notice that I'm using the app, and I'll show you both in the app and on the website what this looks like. But in both places, I'm going to go to the classwork section to find what I have to do. So here we go, going to classwork. Now I'm going to choose one of the assignments that I want to hand in. Now you'll notice that there are a couple of places where, for example, there's that little sheet of paper with a bookmark on it. That just means that it's course content. It's stuff I can download. However, you'll also notice that some of these look like a little clipboard. And anytime you see that little clipboard icon, that means there's something to hand in. So let's see about doing that. So I'm going to click on that first one that's called Weekly Journals. And it's asking me to start a Google Doc to keep track of my thoughts and feelings around this process. Well, if I look to the bottom of the screen here, you can see there is a section that is asking me to hand in some work. I can add a comment right away just by clicking on this little guy here, but I actually want to create this document like my teacher has asked me to. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to click this up arrow, and you can see it gives me the option to add an attachment. Now there's actually a lot of attachments I can add. If I click on that icon, it gives me a number of things I can do. It says I can add something that's already in my drive. I can add a link to something. I can upload a file, and that could be a file from my phone. That could be a photo, a video. I could actually record a video or take a photo. And if I did that, it would actually switch my camera on, and that would go directly to my teacher. It would go right into the class. However, Mrs. Georgopoulos was very clear in terms of what she wanted. She wanted a new document. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add a new document. And as soon as I do that, you should see, let's try that one more time. Yeah, there it goes. You should see a new document appear, and in a moment it will open that document. And so you can see I'm in Google Docs, so I can go ahead and hit edit, and I can start typing. Or if I'm on my phone, I can turn my microphone on, and it'll start recording everything that I say. Period.